Nessa Sunshine here, and today we're getting into the Pat McGrath Iconic Illumination palette. It's part of the Blitz Astral Quad collection that came out. I did get to work with Pat McGrath Labs on some sponsored content on Instagram. So this isn't sponsored, but this was sent to me. I just thought I should disclaim. So if you are interested in getting this look right here, well, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the tutorial. To get started, I'm going to be using a bronzer that I'm using on my face, which is the Coconut to the Beach, Get Me to the Beach coconut bronzer from Colourpop. And I'll also be using a Studio Pro 18 blending brush. You could take whatever bronzer you have on hand, and I'm going to move in circular motions in the outer corner of my eye, and I'm going to move it forward into the inner corner, and then back and forth in swiper motions with just the tip of the brush of the eye. And then I'll do the same thing to the other side just to use as a transition shade, and then we'll get into our palette. I'll first get into the shade Blitz Brown, and I'll be using the number 7 Fairy Lights brush. As I'm looking down and I'm taking at the very edge and tip of my brush, I'm going to blend it in swiper motions, taking more. I'm going to start to move in swiper motions in the outer edge of my eye, on the mobile lid, and above the crease area of the lid. I'm going to take more, and what I'm doing is taking my fluffy brush and swirling it. And then I'm just taking the very tip of my brush, and then I blend it. And then what I'll do is I'll blend it forward onto the eye as well. I think I'm going to go back with my 18 brush and blend the top edge right here. So as I blend further up and further out with the big fluffy brush, I continue to take my number 7 blending brush, and if I want to deepen up further, I can add more of Blitz Brown to this outer corner edge of my eye. I'm using circular motions to apply more. I think I'm going to apply just a little bit more up here as well. In the crease, a little bit toward the center, just slightly, and then slightly in the center as well on the mobile lid. And I'm not really wanting to add too much of the deeper brown here in this area, but I do want to move it over so that it is blend and it is diffused. I'll blend back and forth with the 2 blending brushes, just so. And then what I'll do is add Blitz Brown to the other side, and we'll get into our next shadow. The next shadow I'll be getting into is Blitz Bordeaux. Taking my ring finger, I'm blending it outward over to the deeper shade, and then I will use a brush to diffuse this area right here. And I'm just diffusing this crease area of my eye to the outward area. The next shadow I'll be getting into is the Astral Gold Allure, and I'll be using the number 11, very pointed, I think it's an eyeliner brush. This is one of the most amazing shadows ever. This beautiful bright shadow. So what I'm going to do with this is bring it into the inner corner, just right in there. I think I'm also going to be adding it on the lower lash line, but that's when I get back into the palette after applying lashes. Applying this and making it like a firework into the eye. So my crease folds over, so I'm just putting it on that part. Some people have an open space right here, which is really nice. You can put it in there, it makes it a little bit easier. I'm putting it inside the actual crease area as well. And then I am bringing this up, and then I'm kind of going to bring it over. I'm probably going to do the same exact thing to the lower lash line with the same shadow. I don't know why I decided to do it now. Who knows? But anyway, I'm going to go into the Glossybox for December. And I'll be using these lashes that came in this box. And this is from the brand Lash Flash. I've never heard of this before. And this is the Golden Gatsby 3D Faux Mink Lashes. And this is the Style 1920.
Excuse this interruption for a makeup miracle moment. I totally forgot to say it while I was filming. Also, the sound on my videos lately, I don't know what's going on. The quality does not sound right. I have a nicer mic, not like the fanciest mic ever, but I don't know. I'm going to have to fix it, so I apologize for the sound, and it probably will sound different from this clip. So apologies for that, but makeup miracle moment.
So I'm just going to apply the bronzer onto the lower lash line, starting from the outer corner edge and moving it in toward the center. And then what I'll do is add the Astral Gold after. And I'll be using the number 11 corner brush again with the same shade. I'm going to kind of reapply it into the inner corner where I had it before, but I'm also applying it to the lower lash line inner corner, right in here as well. For mascara today, I'm going in with the Colourpop BFF Volumizing Mascara in the color Brownie Point. And apply mascara to my lower lash lines. This is a brown mascara. I wanted to do something different, so there we go. What I'll do is I'll add that to the other side, and then I'll tell you what lip I'm wearing in a moment. For lips today, I'll be wearing the Colourpop Lip Pencil in Boarding Pass and Huda Beauty Promotion Day Matte Lipstick. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial using this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Pat McGrath. Ooh, look at it. Shiny. So the brown and the red seem more like a satin, and then the light gold and the bronze gold are more of a shimmer. Oh, these are so pretty. Her stuff is, ooh, nice. And her lipsticks are nice. If you did like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Bye now.